Hey, what's up guys, Blocktar12 here. Today I'll be showing you a trick that I learned from Seth Bling again, because I do a lot of these videos. It is a way to make you go farther with an ender pearl. So you have to count to 7, you'll hop on the pressure plate with TNT. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that failed, sorry guys. Sorry, let me try that again. I've never done this before. Alright, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Give it a second. There we go. See, look how far I went. Wait, did I seriously go the wrong way? Because that's pretty embarrassing. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not very good at this right now. I just learned, so literally I just watched the video. I am just learning how to do small little things like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fail. Again. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to fail. Yes, I did do this a little bit on creative. As you can see, that's the only way I got bedrock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go, see the ender pearl go? See, I go a lot farther than average. I win at least 500 blocks. When with a regular ender pearl, let's see, I started from over here. You can only go like 40 meters. See, look, I cannot even go. What the heck? I guess I failed that time. Okay, well, normally with that, you can go way farther than you ever think. It goes like a baseball, I think, normally. So I learned you from Seth Bling, so I'm going to put his name in the, sorry, I can't remember the name of it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, that was a fail. Yup. Next episode, I may do another one of these just because they're so short. And this one's probably the longest one yet so far. This is only my second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry guys, I'm failing at it epically. I'm not going to stop this video until I do it or if I run out of TNT. But so far you get the big picture. So all you need is a couple of ender pearls, 4 TNT, and a pressure plate. And what you do is you step on it like you saw, count to 7, and you throw it right before it explodes, and it normally shoots a lot farther, but I missed it. Fail. So this was a bomb that I did, that I was going to do, but then it failed every time, so I couldn't do it. So sometimes I will give up. Like as soon as I run out of TNT or pressure plates or something, then I will give up. Or run out of ender pearls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna fail at this. I am so sorry guys. I'm not very good at this. I better learn how to do this perfect. Like he says in the video, if you check it out, if you do it wrong, you can screw up. There she says that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Do you see that thing? There it goes. Whoa, where am I? Wow. Alright, I think I'm done with this video now. Thank you for watching. But also, like I said, look how far this thing goes. And that was my boat test from the last episode. This thing doesn't go nearly as far. Like it only went halfway than I normally went right there. But that was like perfect, you've got to admit. Also, guys, thank you for watching. See ya.